Hey folks, looking at the Fox BC. These are planer replacement blades for my Dewalt 735, DW735. I've had that planer for a while. It's a great planer, but as with most things, the knives will wear out after a while. These Fox BCs, I've had another replacement blade set with them, and they work great. It's the I'm sure they're Chinese made, but they work really nice. Super sharp, easy to do, and you get one on each side. So you're getting six cutting heads on this. You put them on one side, use it until those dull down, and then you can reverse them. And then you've got the other side to cut with. Super sharp too. Be extra careful with those. So yeah, we'll demonstrate some planer parts in a minute and see what we got to put them on with. There you go. Fox BC planer replacement. They do joiner knives, bandsaw blades, a whole bunch of stuff. This is for the Dewalt DW735. All right, guys, we're back using the included T-handle tool. We've loosened up the 4 bolts that connect the top cover. Oh, and first things first, unplug your planer. Make sure you've got the cord in sight. If you're at a business, you know you're supposed to lock out, tag out these. So even though you can see the screw, but we're here at the home shop, so you won't deal with that. We'll take these 3 screws here. Take those out. We'll take the dust cover air ventilator. You get this up and over, and it'll come out of the blower housing, and there you expose your blades right there, and the blade holders. So right here, this is your blade and blade holders, and it's just a handful of Torx screws on there that hold it together. I'm going to go ahead and use the quick and easy impact driver. Lightly, you don't want to do anything drastic, so, and then it's going to try to roll over on you. Oops, there comes another one. Switch around this side. Then on your T-handle tool that's included with your planer, you've got a little magnetic setup on the end. It's easier to grasp the cover, and then your blade just pops right off. And yeah, I've used both of these out, so we're just going to replace them with the other one. Carefully remove a blade. And there's 2 indexing pins on the base of the deal that'll make sure you're lined up. You want to get them even on both sides. I try to get it dead in the middle of that thing. Put your blade connector back on. Blade cover, not a connector. And then get one started on both ends, I try to do, and then work your way back down. And there you go. Once you get them all back in, reverse it, put it in the drive section, and get them torqued down there a little bit. I don't want to overdo it. One little pop. And there you go. Repeat that 3 times. I like to get it in there, and it kind of helps you turn the blade a little bit without getting your fingers all cut up. Well, it used to. Anyway, 3 more times, you got it all set. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.